This is a sort of side note for a video on an equilibrium problem involving an ice table where we had to solve a quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation that we needed to solve is here. Here is the equation for the quadratic formula, where a is the coefficient in front of the x squared, b is the coefficient in front of the x, and c is in front of the coefficient of x to the 0 power. And so to solve the quadratic equation, we just need to plug those coefficients into our formula. So we have that x is equal to minus b. So b is negative 0.028, so that'll be positive 0.028, plus or minus square root of minus 0.028 squared, minus 4 times a, which is negative 3.99, and then times c, which is 0.0195. And all of that is over 2 times a, so 2 times negative 3.99. Alright, so I'll kind of break this down into steps. So we have x, leave that 0.028 alone for now. We still have plus or minus. Negative 0.028 squared is 7.84 times 10 to the minus 4. And then we have negative 4 times negative 3.99 times 0.0195. And so the two negatives comes out to be positive 0.311. And then all of that is divided by 2 times negative 3.99 is going to be negative 7.98. And so if we go down to the next line here, now I still have the plus or minus, and when I add those two numbers and take the square root, I get 0.557 divided by still negative 7.98. Alright, and so then the two solutions that I will get, so 0.028 plus 0.557, and then divided by negative 7.98 gives me, for my first solution, negative 0.073. And for my second solution, when I do 0.028 minus 0.557 and divide that by the negative 7.98, I get positive 0.066. Alright, so we'll take these two solutions and go back to the equilibrium problem.